Hey everyone, I just realized I left my work wallpaper up here. You can see my Nerdio virtual office, and I suppose it's pretty appropriate that I should bring up my full-time job at Nerdio because what we do at Nerdio is we make it easy for organizations to manage parts of their Azure infrastructure, particularly things like Azure Virtual Desktop, delivering Windows virtually out to end users. Nerdio, the software, is written almost entirely in Python. So it's very appropriate that we should be celebrating Nerdio on this, the very first video of our associate level Python programming course. I have a really good problem when students are contacting me saying, when are you starting the associate level? When are you starting the associate level? So that is great. We have a Python entry level course now, and it's time to begin our associate level Python programming skill set. Let's jump in to our official content here. I want to show you in our first video on your Certified Associate Python Programmer course, I wanted to remind you of the 5 domains that we're going to be working in. The modules and packages domain is first. You already know a bit about modules from your studies inside our entry-level course, but we're going to go even deeper into modules and packages in this section. And then exceptions, which we covered at the entry level, we'll give a lot more attention to those in domain 2. Strings in domain 3, and then the big new topic, and it's the largest portion of our exam, with 34% of our exam coming in the area of object-oriented programming. This is a very, very exciting capability of Python, and we give it a ton of emphasis in this course and certification. Finally, some miscellaneous stuff. We've covered list comprehensions before in the entry level, but we'll be going in depth into those topics that you see in the miscellaneous category. 5 domains, and I hope you are very excited to get started along with me in the very next video. Don't hesitate. So launch that next video and enjoy our first look at our first domain of modules and packages. I don't think I mentioned it, but my name's Anthony Sequeira, and I sure am glad you're here with me. I'll see you in the next video.